Hi, I'm Christopher with RV ASAP, powered by Funtown. Today we are in the campgrounds at our Cleburne Superstore. We're going to be doing a walkthrough on a 25 RBHL. Let's take a look. So one of the great things about this 25 RBHL is we have our large pass-through storage. We have our Solaire 12-volt awning with our light strip across, great for that nighttime camping. And then we have our dual speakers that are waterproof on the outside. So right here, we're gonna have our outside kitchen. So this great griddle made by Suburban, and then our mini fridge right above it. So right here, we're gonna have our quick connect for our outside shower, and then our TV hookup right next to that. And then right below that, we're actually gonna have our quick connect for our little furry friends. So our steps right here, super light, easy to pick up. These buttons right here is what we use to adjust our legs. So no matter what terrain you're on, whether it's a little rocky or it's a flat concrete surface, you're able to make sure that our steps are level so you can get inside your camper safely. So right back here, we're actually gonna have our water connection right here and our satellite and cable hookup right there. Forest River was nice enough to make sure we have our spare tire right there on our rear bumper. And our bumper actually has pass-through, and that's where you store your sewer hose. Right next to our power hookup, we're gonna have our outside shower. So we're actually gonna have our other side to our pass-through storage. These are magnet held, so there is no latch, it's just easy hold. And then you can see all the way through on that pass-through storage. Let's go take a look inside. So now that we're inside, the first thing we're gonna take a look at is our large, spacious pantry. And then as we continue in, we have our TV right here with our sound bar and our fireplace that actually does produce heat, or if you want, you can just give the ambiance of the fire. With our dual recliners right here, straight across from our fireplace and TV, we have our large spacious windows right behind me. So right here, I'm sitting at our booth dinette. Plenty of space whether we're playing cards because it's raining outside, or if it's time for bed, this does fold down and make into another bed. Plenty of counter space in this one. And then above and below, we're gonna have a lot of spacious cabinets. We have our stove and oven. And then right below that, we have our storage for our pots and pans. Then we have our Furrion microwave. And then right next to that, we have our Everchill fridge and freezer. Let's go take a look at that bedroom now. So we have our queen bed here with our power and USB ports on both sides. And then on both sides of the bed, we're gonna have our hanging room and then our storage compartments above. Let's take a look at that large bathroom. So now that we're in the bathroom, there's gonna be some key features to notice here. We have our Domatic porcelain toilet, so bring in some of those home features on the go with you. And then we have our large, spacious walk-in shower. So I'm 6'4" and there's plenty of room for me in here. Right across from the shower, we're gonna have our linen closet that actually has hanging room, and then our drawers below. And then our medicine cabinet right above our sink. Thanks for joining me as we did our walkthrough on our Salem Hemisphere 25 RBHL. Remember to like, follow, and share, and the fun starts here.